Welcome to my channel HiQ Learning. Dear students, today we'll be discussing some problems on scalar triple product of vectors. In the previous video, we have already discussed introduction of scalar triple product of vectors. Now let us start some problems with this first question. Find the volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are A, B and C. These three vectors are given which are coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. So let us make it clear with the help of a diagram. What is the meaning of coterminous edges of a parallelepiped? Here OA, OB and OC are known as coterminous edges of this parallelepiped. So here OA is vector A, OB is vector B and OC is vector C. So we have to find out the volume. So in the previous video of introduction of scalar triple product, we have already discussed that here volume of parallelepiped can be obtained by scalar triple product of vectors A cross B dot C. So first of all, here we need to find out A cross B and then dot C. But at a time we can find out this entire expression A cross B dot C, which is equal to, with the help of this determinant we can write simply. Here we have to write coefficients of ijk. So in the first row, coefficients of ijk of A will be 2, minus 3, 1. Second row will be coefficients of ijk from vector B. So this is 1, minus 1, 2. And in third row we will write coefficients of ijk from this vector C. So 2, 1 and minus 1. 2, 1 and minus 1. Now let us evaluate this determinant to get volume of the parallelepiped. So expand it. This is equal to 2 into, omit first row and first column, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus 2 into 1, that is 2. Second term will start from minus, so minus 3 into, omit first row and second column, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into 2, that is 4, and next term is plus 1, omit first row and third column, so 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, so minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, so with the help of this expression we will get the volume of the parallelepiped. So this is equal to minus 2 minus 15 plus 3, and this is equal to minus 14. So since volume will be always a positive number, so we have to get modulus. So therefore here required volume is mod of A cross B dot C. This is equal to mod of minus 14. So this is equal to 40 cubic unit. So this is the required answer, volume of the parallelepiped. So now this is simple to understand that to get volume of the parallelepiped, just we have to find out modulus of the scalar triple product of these three vectors A, B and C, which are coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. Now we will see next question. Find the value of lambda find the value of lambda for which the vectors A, B and C are A, B, C are coplanars. These are coplanar where these three vectors are given. Vector A is 2i minus j plus k. This is 2i minus j plus k. Vector B is I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k, and vector C is 3i plus lambda j plus 5k. 3i plus lambda j plus 5k. In this question, we have to find out value of this lambda, so that these three given vectors are coplanar, lying on the same plane. So just now we have seen in the previous question that triple product of vectors will be 0, then these three given vectors will be coplanar, because in that case volume of parallelepiped form with the help of these vectors will be 0. It means vectors are lying on the same plane. That's why volume of parallelepiped is 0. So process will be same. We have to find out here scalar triple product of these three given vectors, and we have to equate that expression with 0 to get value of lambda. So here, as these three given vectors are coplanar, therefore we can write A cross B dot C, this will be equal to 0. And in the previous question we have seen how to get this scalar triple product. So with the help of a determinant, we can write this scalar triple product. So first of all, we will take 2 minus 1 and 1 for first row, 2 minus 1, 1. In the second row, we will write coefficients 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. And in the third row, 3 lambda and 5, 3 lambda and 5. This will be equal to 0, because these three given vectors are coplanar. So this will be 0. Now let us evaluate this determinant. Or here 2 into 10 minus 3 lambda plus 1 into 5 minus 9 plus 1 into lambda minus 6. This is equal to 0. Or this is 20 minus 6 lambda. It will be minus 4 here. This is minus 4 plus lambda minus 6. This is equal to 0. Or we will get here 5 lambda is equal to 10, and therefore lambda is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. This is the required value of lambda. So this is very easy to get these values of unknown coefficients by equating this scalar triple product with 0, because given that these three vectors are coplanar, lying on the same plane. Now we'll see one more important question. So this question is so that the 4 points with position vectors 4i plus 5j plus k minus j minus k 3i plus 9j plus 4k and minus I plus j plus k are coplanar. So here also we have to show that scalar triple product of these 3 vectors will be 0. Then these 3 vectors which are formed with the help of 4 given points will be coplanar. So suppose that these are points A, B, C and D. So suppose point A is 4i plus 5j plus k, point B is minus j minus k, point C is 3i plus 9j plus 4k and point D is minus I plus j plus k. So with the help of these 4 given points, let us find out vector AB, vector AC and vector AD, because these are position vectors with respect to position of given points A, B, C and D. So we can find out vector AB by getting OB minus OA. So as these are position vectors, so this is OB, this is OA, this is OC and this is OD. So OB minus OA, this will be minus j minus k minus of 4i plus 5j plus k, and this is equal to minus 4i minus 6j and minus 2k. Similarly, AC will be OC minus OA. So here OC is 3i plus 9j plus 4k minus OA. OA is 4i plus 5j plus k. So this is equal to 3i minus 4i minus I, 9j minus 5j, 4j and 4k minus k. This is 3k. This is vector AC. Similarly, we can find AD also. This will be OD minus OA. So OD means this much, that is minus I plus j plus k and minus OA. OA is 4i plus 5j plus k, and this is equal to minus 5i minus 4j and plus k, minus k will be cancelled out. So this is the vector AD. Now we have to find out AB cross AC dot AD, and we have to show that this much is equal to 0. Then it will be proved that AB, AC and AD are coplanar. It means 4 given points A, B, C and D are lying on the same plane. So students, in the previous questions we have already discussed how to get scalar triple product of 3 vectors with the help of a determinant, and after expanding that determinant we can evaluate that value and you will find here that this much will be equal to 0. So we will get the result. It will be proved that 4 given points with these position vectors are lying on the same plane. So that's all about these few questions based on scalar triple product of vectors. So please keep in touch with my videos for other topics also. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.